Welcome! In today's quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to allow others to use your public Reels original audio on Facebook using your PC. Facebook has introduced a small but important update, and if you want more people to engage with your content, this setting can really help boost your reach. Let's get straight into it. First, open Facebook on your web browser. Make sure you're logged into the account where you create your Reels. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner and click on your profile photo. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From that menu, click on Settings and Privacy. A new panel will appear. Go ahead and select Settings from there to access your account settings. Now, inside the Settings area, you'll need to find the section related to Reels. Scroll if needed, then click on Reels to open the available options. Here's where the key setting is located. Look for the option labeled Allow others to use your original audio and remix your future public Reels. Click on it to open the customization choices. You'll see different options for how your audio can be used. To stay in control while still allowing sharing, select Original Audio Use Only. This means others can use your audio, but within the limits set by Facebook, helping you maintain ownership while still increasing visibility. After choosing that option, don't forget the final step, click Save. This ensures your new preference is applied to your future public Reels. And that's it. From now on, your public Reels original audio can be used by others in a controlled way, giving your content more exposure and helping you reach a wider audience. If you found this helpful, make sure to check your other settings as well, since Facebook updates features quite often.